If you operate multiple Airbnbs in the same complex or the same neighborhood, you might accidentally be competing with yourself and losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But today I'm going to show you how to fix that using PriceLabs, specifically their dynamic pricing and grouping feature. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Haley. I am a 22-year-old Airbnb host. I currently have 70 Airbnbs. I know last time we talked, I only had like 58. Just came back from VRMA and came back from staging 12 new units. So we are definitely scaling. It feels good to be back. Over the last 3 years, I have learned so much about pricing. Today, I'm going to be sharing exactly how you can price your properties if you have multiple units in the same apartment complex, in the same neighborhood, so you are not competing with yourself. And today I'm breaking all of that down for hosts just like you. I use PriceLabs for every single unit. I've been using them from when I very first started, and I'm still using them today. So every single new listing that goes live goes on PriceLabs. So for example, these most recent 12 literally went through the same exact process. I got 12 units within 2 complexes, 9 in one and 3 in another, and I use these same strategies to make sure I am not competing with myself. So PriceLabs allows me to make more money, save more time, have increased occupancy, and take the guesswork out of all of these things. The first thing I want to talk about is intra-portfolio competition. Now, most of you have probably never heard of this before, but don't worry, I will break it down. So for example, you might have one listing that is a 1-bedroom priced at $150 a night. Then you have a 2-bedroom property in the same complex priced at $250 a night. PriceLabs will see this as demand overlap and will then automatically reduce your price, making you lose out on potential income. Luckily, PriceLabs knows that there is hosts like me and you who have multiple properties in the same complex or the same neighborhood that will just be priced differently. And we want it to be that way. And since PriceLabs knows this, they have this feature called PriceLabs Groups. Essentially what this means is PriceLabs will let you map multiple listings together. And this is basically you telling the software not to let one property undercut the other. With PriceLabs Group feature, it allows you to select multiple different listings and group them together by bedroom size or even location. From there, you can also set the minimum and maximum rates for each of those groups. With this feature, it allows you to keep your pricing strategic and prevent any internal conflicts between listings. And did I forget that it helps you maximize your revenue across literally all of your units? Now I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to set up your groups inside of your PriceLabs account. Step 1 is mapping your listings together. So if you have 5 1-bedrooms and 3 2-bedrooms all in the same complex, I want you to map the 1-bedrooms together and the 2-bedrooms together separately. So all of the 2-bedrooms map together, all of the 1-bedrooms map together. The second step is to set your minimum and maximum for each of these groups. I will go in and remove the default minimum and maximum price settings that they have, so I have a little bit more control over my revenue. You could totally leave it as they have it set, or you can go in and change it, just personal preference here. Regardless, set a minimum and set a maximum price. The third step is to use PriceLabs tags. You can tag different listings by their specific type, also the specific season, or even the demand to fine-tune your pricing. And you do all of this through PriceLabs tags feature. And the fourth step is to monitor and adjust accordingly. My team and I personally do weekly check-ins just to make sure that the groups are performing correctly, and if we need to go in and make any critiques, we can do so. Again, PriceLabs will do this automatically, but as a little bit of extra host or more advanced host, I like to go in and just oversee all these things are moving smoothly and correctly. And if I want to fine-tune, I can, but PriceLabs will always set you up for success. If you want to fine-tune, you do have that option. Now, I do also want to touch on a couple little bonus tips. Number 1 is use last-minute pricing. I know I sound like a broken record and I talk about this all the time, but if you're not using last-minute pricing, you are leaving so much money on the table and also occupancy. So by doing this, you increase your occupancy and you make more money. Second bonus tip is always monitor your calendar overlap. Do not let 2 similar bookings be bookable at the same time if one of the properties is undercutting the other, because again, you will be cutting into your own revenue. Now, if you do the steps I mentioned earlier, this typically won't happen, but again, keeping an eye on it is important. And another thing I want to mention is PriceLabs is an automation tool. So once you set up all of these groupings, all of these tags, all these different things, PriceLabs will do the heavy lifting for you daily. All I recommend you do from that point, once those are set up, is just manage, oversee, and make sure things are going correctly. Once you set it up, you actually can set it and forget it, because PriceLabs is an automation tool. It is made to automate these things so that you do not have to be in there every single day, micromanaging, checking, staying on top of it. PriceLabs does all that for you, and now you, on a weekly basis or whatever basis you decide, just oversee and make sure things are going smooth. So if you have a lot of Airbnbs in apartment complexes, even townhomes or houses in like the same neighborhood, and you're noticing that you're kind of competing with yourself or one property is undercutting the other, make sure you do those things I mentioned earlier by setting up your PriceLabs groups and tags to ensure that one is not undercutting the other and cutting into your revenue. And if you're not using a dynamic pricing software or you're not using PriceLabs, I have a 30-day free trial for you. You can sign up using the link in the description. You don't even need 30 days to realize that you're probably leaving so much money on the table, not reaching your fullest potential in terms of occupancy, and probably, I can almost guarantee, spending way too much time on your pricing strategy because you're so involved in it. Let PriceLabs automate everything for you and do all the heavy lifting. And if you have any questions around pricing or any specific like niche topics about pricing, of like grouping your listings together and tagging them and all that stuff, if you have any more questions about specifics like that, I would be more than willing to make some videos on it. So comment down below with any video ideas. Even if it's not about pricing or PriceLabs, I'd be more than willing to help. And if you're curious on getting a mentor, I do offer mentorship. I have about 1,000 students currently all over the world in a bunch of different markets, all absolutely killing it. And I'd be more than happy to help you as well. So if you want to get mentored by me, you can find the link for that as well. You can book a free call. We can chit chat. We can see if it's a good fit and then take it from there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon.